Hello student. Next point we are covering parameterized constructor. Previous lecture we saw a constructor, how to create a constructor and how to define constructor. So let's start with the parameterized constructor. So default constructor does not have any parameter. So जो आपका default constructor है, it don't have any parameter. First, let's understand what is parameter. Suppose in previous lecture we create a constructor like this. In this bracket we are not passing any parameter. Now a constructor can have parameter. Okay, so constructor have a can have a parameter. So you can pass a number of parameters. Suppose one parameter, two parameter, or we can pass like this line, then int a, int b. So what is the use of this? So this help you to assign initial value to an object at the time of its creation. Okay, so using this we can initialize the value of object at the time of creation, that particular object. Consider here same example. Previously we saw line class, but here difference is previously we mentioned line and only the brackets and the semicolon, but here we mention one parameter, it is called as a double len. Okay, and in the definition of constructor, again you have to give a class name, scope resolution operator 2 times, then your constructor name, and here we mention the object is being created, length, we are printing the value of length and assigning this len value to the length variable which is privately defined. Again we are setting and getting the length value. So let's know how to execute this program. So first program start with the main function. Here we create a one object of class line, then we are passing the one parameter, that is 10. Now when object is created we are passing value 10 to object. So while printing object is being created, length here is a 10. So by default it give value to the 10 because we are passing this 10 value to your constructor. Then printing cout length of line. Okay, and we are printing the line dot get length. तो यहाँ पर जो लेंथ में गेट लेंथ में इनिशियली at the time of creation object we are passing value 10. So length में यहाँ पर अभी value क्या है 10 and it return this value. तो second line यहाँ पर print हो जाएगी, length of line is 10. Check here again we are calling the set length. So line क्या है, it is a object of your class and set length क्या है, एक method है. So we are calling this method and we are passing the length value now 6. Okay, and we are printing this value cout length of line and again calling line dot get length. So now previously we set value by default 10, but now we are going to change that value to 6. So now the value is printing is 6. So in this way we can assign a default value to variable. So हमारी डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पर 10 डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू है एंड वी कैन चेंज लेटर डिपेंड ऑन द योर रिक्वायरमेंट दैट वैल्यू टू एनी अदर वैल्यू. So this is the use of parameterized constructor. Here we saw constructor. So similar, there is a destructor present. So this is assignment for you. You have to study the destructor and understand the concept of destructor. So this is your assignment.